First we got a -1 plus a -5, right? And what does that give us? Well, we got two negatives being added to each other. The way you want to think about it is when they're on the same team, we're just going, they're adding, they're just getting bigger and bigger, or more, or the numbers are growing, at least in magnitude or absolute value. So -1 plus a -5, same team, it's just like 1 plus 5, which is 6, but it's -6 because they're same team, they're getting more negative. When it's different teams here, like we got 6 and we got a -3, a positive and negative. Now this is a subtraction problem. We subtract the smaller quantity, which is 3, from the larger, which is 6, and we get 3. But then we determine, well, what's the sign? Is it positive or negative? It's positive because the positive value is the winner. The positive value dominates here. It's larger than the negative, so we get a +3. So here we have a -6, here we have a +3.